Hey guys, so I'm going to show you the two only things that you will ever need to build a successful Shopify e-commerce business, okay? Plus, it is essentially all handled by AI. And what I mean by that is basically you will have a AI sidekick to build your Shopify theme, okay, to generate your store, right, to generate product descriptions, headlines, even blogs, and you will even get a free .store domain with everything. Okay, so today I'm going to be covering an insane combo in Shopify. So we're going to be talking about Shopify itself, how to get Shopify for only $1 for the next 3 months. Okay, now how to get the #1 Shopify theme out there, which is powered fully by AI, and it's called Debutify. Okay, and even I'm going to show you how you can get the Debutify theme for only $1 for 30 days, guys. Okay, keep that a secret because once you go with the Debutify, you will also get that free .store domain for 100% free. Okay, guys, so this is crazy. A lot of things are happening. So let me tell you how to get there, how it works, and really what is this all about, guys. Okay, so if you're super curious and you want to dive into it deeper, then guys, let's go ahead and do this. All right, so let's first cover things first, okay, which is basically how to get Shopify for only $1 for the next 3 months, guys. Okay, that's crazy, but it's true. So in the description box, okay, there's going to be a bunch of links, and one of those links will bring you right here. Okay, so if you see this landing page, you are on the right one, and there should be a link that says get a Shopify for $1 for the next 3 months, right? It's actually for 6 months, guys. Okay, I was lying, guys. It's your lucky day because Shopify extended this, right? So now instead of 3 months, you can get it for 6 months. It was actually 3 months a couple of days ago. Now the promo was extended, guys. You can get Shopify for $1, okay, for the next 6 months. This is crazy, okay? So, and all you really need to do, you just enter your email address in here, and it's gonna ask you some very simple questions like your first name, really basic login and account creation information. And once you do that, you're gonna end up on Shopify, which will look something like this, guys. Okay, so this is gonna be a Shopify. This is where all the magic will happen, guys. This is where you're gonna start making your first money, guys. Okay, so once you have this is good to go because now you have Shopify. So now let's move on to the Debutify, and let me explain you what is the Debutify and why it is so cool and why everybody in e-commerce and job shipping world are talking about the Debutify, guys. So the Debutify is covering you from A to Z when it comes to e-commerce. Okay, so here we have the Debutify AI team itself, meaning that it's a Shopify team, but it's the best one out there because it is based on all the top Shopify teams, and now it's all merged, and the Debutify team has come to life. So all the best Shopify team designs and basically performance metrics and everything that was the best was infused into Debutify to make sure that you as a merchant and business owner in DTC or B2C gets the best Shopify team. Because if you're a crappy Shopify team, your AUV will be down, your conversion rates will be down, you will have a poor UX experience, and Google will penalize you because you have a crappy website that looks like a MySpace page from 2002, guys. Okay, so if you don't want for that to happen, definitely Debutify is the key to success. Okay, because here we have the Debutify AI team itself, and they offer a reviews as well, which integrates perfectly and natively into a Shopify team itself. You have a Debutify AI email, which is upcoming soon, guys. So definitely join the waitlist, okay? Because this is gonna be, think about ActiveCampaign, Klaviyo, but in a way that is optimized for Shopify merchants specifically. And also if you are in B2B, there's gonna be a couple of cool surprises coming up for you guys from the Debutify. So definitely join the waitlist and make sure that you follow the latest news on the Debutify's AI email, guys. Okay, so next we're gonna have something called Debutify AI widgets. So we've been building Shopify themes and widgets for Shopify all this time, but it's gonna be a really cool change for all the merchants out there. So guys, definitely make sure to follow the Debutify on this one because this is gonna be massive, guys. Okay, so let's move on to the Shopify team itself. Okay, so once you are basically on this website right here, guys, so make sure to go to debutify.com. You're gonna land here, And to get that Debutify for only $1 for the next 30 days, just click on this huge blue button. You cannot miss it, guys. I guarantee you guys, just click on this and it's gonna ask you to log in, okay? And what's cool about it, you don't need to even enter your email address. You can literally log in with your Gmail and it's gonna link and sync everything for you, and you're gonna have Debutify in an instant, guys. All right. So awesome. Once you have this, congrats, you are good to go for Shopify, for Debutify. All those are check marked and good to go. So next thing, what we need is to click on open, because now we want to see where the magic happens in Debutify, guys. Okay, if you're ready, guys, 1, 2, 3, let's click that, guys. All right, guys, congrats. So now you have the Debutify, and this is the main dashboard. This is where all the really cool stuff happens, guys, because just look at all of this. There's so many things, okay? And the first thing that kind of sticks out to me is just look at all these beautiful templates, guys, okay? So if I go right here to template library and click on all templates, right, we have the default template, which on its own is beautiful and optimized out of the box. It's one of the fastest themes in Shopify niche as a whole, and it's fully mobile optimized for all mobile devices, which is really important because in DTC, 60 to 70% of traffic will be always coming from mobile. So if you're not mobile optimized, those 60 and 70% are going to those merchants who are using themes like Debutify. All right, guys, so make sure, okay, to know that. Next up, we have fashion, we have pets, we have beauty, footwear, jewelry, health and wellness, apparel, home decor, and so many more. For every single person in any type of niche, there is a Shopify theme when you go with Debutify. And the cool part is Debutify, based on which plan you will choose afterwards. And FYI, there is a free plan, okay, meaning you can have the entire theme with some limitations, obviously, but the theme itself is free. But if you go with something like Pro Plan or Enterprise Plan, you will have a dedicated account manager. Okay, you have a VIP customer support, which will be available to you Monday to Friday. Okay, and you even have some basic team development services. So if you need to do some custom, I don't know, colors or basic layout changes, right? Or you need advice on SEO or even on Google Ads, right? All of this comes with Debutify. This is your business partner, not just a Shopify theme, which is a huge differentiator comparing with other Shopify themes, guys. Okay, so think about it because that is crazy. Okay, so next thing I want to discuss is really for Debutify are AI tools, because there are a bunch of them and pretty much anything that you would need to have as a merchant, right? So you have the AI Store Builder, which essentially gives you an option to build a Shopify store using prompt, right? So you can either say, hey, can you build me a store that is specializing in pet accessories or fashion, women's fashion, or maybe health and wellness, and the AI will do entire thing for you. Okay, just like chatting with ChatGPT, essentially the same thing. Then you get a download link and install it, and it takes like 5 minutes, not even. But if you want to go a different path, you can also kind of choose it from the option number 2, which is a manual store builder. Okay, so if you're feeling that old school vibe, right, so you can go with this one. You can choose the pet niche itself, right? What kind of a the layout and UI you want. So if you look on the right side, you can kind of see the shapes for buttons are changing. So that's kind of different. And here you can enter your brand colors. And don't worry, if you don't know your brand colors yet, that's totally cool. Not a lot of people do. Actually, most of the people don't know. You can always change that in the theme customizer later. I'll show you just in a bit exactly how that looks in the Shopify, right, guys? I'm not gonna talk about something and not actually show you the actual theme. It's gonna come up just in a second, guys. So hold on. So then we have a AI product and title description. So we all know the pain of creating descriptions and titles for Shopify. So if you link your Shopify with the Debutify, you can do everything using AI, and that will sync to your Shopify directly. So products, name, descriptions, everything can be handled from Debutify, right? Here you have a banner generator. You can create some cool banners right here. I did some pets, right? I have a little Pomerian, so it actually looks like my dog right here. But again, it can be for any niche, any style. It's really a cool placeholder, right? So if you're building Shopify store and you kind of want to see how it's going to look for your hero section or maybe for your product landing page, right? So want to add an image or something like that. So it's really good to quickly generate and bring that to Shopify and kind of get an idea of how your final Shopify will look like, right? So then we have AI blocks generator here. So we all know also the pain of creating blogs. It takes hours, and then it turns out to be really crappy, and we have to put it all in a garbage. Right, so now with AI, everything can be done in Debutify here. Just generate it, bring it to your Shopify blogs, copy, paste, and boom, you are good to go with a SEO optimized blog just like that. And guys, please remember, all this is included with your Debutify plan. Okay, this is not a separate cost. There's no separate cost for these AI tools. Once you subscribe to paid plans, all this is included with your paid plans, guys. Okay, which is pretty crazy to me. All right, so then we have a something really out of this world, guys. Okay, I'm not gonna be covering a background remover because it's pretty straightforward, useful, but nothing crazy. Just upload an image and it's gonna remove the background. Really, the cool part, everything is within the Beautify, right? And then you have even a logo builder, guys. Just look at that. You can create all these logos here. Pretty awesome, right? What's cool, what I actually want to talk about, I'm actually super excited to talk about is the product research center, right? So if you're a job shipper, right, like if you've been a job shipping game, yeah, you would need to go to Minea or similar, or like a Sell the Trend, right? So all those third party platforms, and you have to pay for it extra. They're like $20 a month. But now the Beautify introduced this job shipping feature where you can see the products, right, that are trending, right, in job shipping niche, and you can import them directly into AutoDS, guys. And AutoDS is the number one AI first dropshipping platform that lets you basically job ship products, and everything is AI handled, right? From customer ordering stuff on your Shopify store, that's going to be sent to AutoDS, and AutoDS will handle your fulfillment from A to Z, and you make money while you sleep. Okay, that's kind of the cool part about AutoDS. There's some other ones like Desters and CJ, but there's more manual work. So kind of why Autodesk is cool, because it's all fully handled by AI. It literally does everything for you guys. You just think about growing the business and marketing strategy and all that cool stuff, right? So here all the products, right? You have links to, I believe there should be a link to AliExpress itself. Category, the price, right? So the base price, everything. So you just kind of plug and play the product into AutoDS, and you are good to go start selling, okay? And all these are basically pulled based on the trends and what's trending in job shipping, so you have access to that directly in the Beautify. Awesome, guys. So now I kind of covered the core foundations of the Beautify. So let me now actually go and show you the actual theme, guys. So let's go ahead and try to customize this. Okay, so I'm going to my Shopify. I'm doing the customize, guys. If you're not familiar with Shopify, by the way, go to our YouTube channel because we have so many different videos on building your Shopify store, building a Shopify store. If you're in job shipping, if you are in a jewelry niche, in a fashion niche, even how to market a Shopify store. So we have, of course, some Google ads, Facebook ads, SEOs, anything you would need to have to run your Shopify business successfully from A to Z, guys. We have so much knowledge in Shopify that is crazy. So definitely check out our YouTube channel and subscribe, because we're dropping these type of videos almost every day, guys. Okay, so subscribe, enable notifications, and make sure that you don't miss the next video. Okay, so this is the whole thing, how it looks in the customizer, right? So this is the main homepage right here. And guys, just look at this layout. It's just absolutely beautiful. So when you download the templates, you're going to get essentially very similar layout and structure, obviously minus the images, because those you need to do yourself, products you need to do yourself. Okay, so we can't do everything for you. Okay, you have to do some part of the work yourself as well sometimes, right? So, but everything will be optimized for the layout, for the sections, right? You can add sections. There's so many sections, guys. Just look at that, a bunch of sections you can add. And you have so many widgets. So what's cool about Shopify, like if you look at the left side right here, guys, these are all widgets. And think of widgets as Shopify apps, right? So if you're running a Shopify store, you usually need to install Shopify apps, because you're going to feel limited very fast, right? So you will need something like announcement bars right here, scrolling banners, right? So all these cool sections. And if I go to product page, for example, right here, I'm gonna have these newsletter pop-ups here, right? Sticky auto cards, animated auto cards, right? So these upsell bundles, review sections, right? So all these are sort of a Shopify apps when we're talking about Shopify ecosystem, right? But the Beautify changed the game, and they have something called widgets, and there's almost 90 of them. And the widgets are essentially a native Shopify apps built in within the Beautify, right? So that's going to save you thousands of dollars, because there's 90 of them. Imagine if you have to buy 90 Shopify apps yourself for your Shopify store, that's going to cost you thousands of dollars easily on a year-to-year basis, right? So this is just this one right here. That's a closed deal on the spot, guys, because 90 videos has come with a team for a fraction of the cost. It's absolutely insane, and everything is made beautiful, and UI UX is optimized for the 2025. Everything is AI first, guys. So this will definitely skyrocket your AOV. You're gonna have like 5-10x increased for your conversion rates, for your basket size, guys. Everything you can think of on the ecom and DTC world, guys. Everything, everything from Debutify has you covered, guys. Okay, and it's really easy to work with. If you're not a developer, that's okay. Just take any of these ones, drag and drop them, right? So everything was made in a mind for beginners and people who don't know how to code or develop. So every single thing in here is easily customizable, guys. Okay, so that's what it is. You heard what I said. Go get the Beautify, try it out yourself, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think about it, okay? Because we always listen to the people. Let us know what you think about it, and if there's something that you find or like, just leave a comment and tell, hey, this or that, and we're gonna send it to our product team, and we're gonna make sure that we change or implement that for you guys, okay? Awesome, guys. And the last bonus I want you to definitely not miss out is the .store domain. Okay, right here we have, you can't miss it. It's huge, right? So when you are on the dashboard, scroll down and look for get your free .store domain. It's 100% free. So people like Mr. Beast, they're using, so it's MrBeast.store. And that store has a lot of benefits, including for SEO if you are in a long-term game, right? So that store tells the search engine immediately that this is an e-commerce store and they are selling products. Same for customers when they land on your Shopify store. For example, it's going to be your store, whatever the URL handle, right? It's nice and professional because with the Shopify, when you create a Shopify, they give you a temporary URL, which is going to be something like yourstore.myshopify.com, which doesn't look presentable, and people might think you're trying to scam them out of their money because, well, not a lot of people know what is Shopify, right? Especially if they're not in the e-commerce world. So with that store, all of that is checkmarked and fixed, and it's 100% free for the first year. Just enter the domain you want. If it's free, it's going to take you to the .store platform. We're going to create everything there, create an account, register, and you won't pay a dime for a year, guys. Okay, and everything is handled for you, and everything is auto connected. You don't have to be a IT geek to do it. It's going to be very simple. They're going to hold your hand, going to tell you exactly how to do everything. All right. Okay, so that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe and enable those notifications so you get notified when the next video like this drops, because it's always value packed, it's always free, and the knowledge is through the roof, guys. Okay, so let me know what you think about the content, or if you have any suggestions, or if you want me to cover any different type of content in the future, I'll definitely do that. But if you don't, happy store building, and I wish you success with your Shopify store. I'm gonna see you next time.